Hey everyone, Nick Bates here, and in this video, we are learning all about employee trainings. From the home screen, let's head on over to the Add Edit icon. From here, we are going to go into our employee list. The assumption at this point is that you have already added and created your procedures in IndySoft. Double click on an employee, and you will see a tab called Procedure Trainings. You can select one or multiple at a time. Now, right here, you will notice there's a section that says never expires. If you want to change the way a procedure functions for an employee, let's head on over to the procedures themselves. Procedures are located under the documentation section. Click on the procedure and then select revisions. In here, you will see two checkboxes. One will block users from completing related events if no valid training is found. And the second is making a training never expire. If we uncheck this, we can set an expiration frequency and interval. Now, the final step is tying your configuration to actually block technicians from using the procedures if they do not have the associated training. If a technician tries to run a calibration event for a procedure that they do not have training for, this is the warning message that will appear. Let's head on over to workflow configuration. If we go to step 3 and go over here, you're going to want to simply check this box for any event you want to only allow trained personnel to run the event. And that ties everything together. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.